Guys, what I'm working, guys, is a John Deere 4050 with 130 horsepower and 400 foot-pound of torque. That's the model number, guys. As you can see, I don't know if you see that one right there, 4050. That's the serial number. That's for the alternator. That's the water pump. That's the crankshaft. That's the turbo. The turbo is gonna be the Air Research M10 Turbo Air 0.42. That's the size right there, guys. A198 exhaust manifold. That's the exhaust manifold. That's there where the muffler connector right there, and that's the D4. As you can see, D4, it's for diesel 40 states, and that's the 1704115 special adapter, okay, to with 168 tooth flex plate. That's the starter. Let's activate. That's the BE pump. BE pump only need 12 volts to run the engine. That's the intake manifold. I just did the replace the line for the return fuel line. Return fuel line right there. It's done, guys. I use with the clamp. So far so good. Perfect size. Alright, that's pretty much it, guys. John Deere turbo diesel. That's the oil filter, guys. John Deere heavy duty torque converter. That's the torque converter. That's the flex plate. That's the adapter. Buy this one separate. Torque converter for like 400 bucks. That's only 150 flex plate, and then the $500 special adapter. Right, that's it. Pretty much it, guys. Pretty much. Spin really good. It's the water pump.